One really fun thing about making music is being in a band. And with that comes naming your band. Imagine you were in a band. What would your band name be? You may have some ideas, or you may not. That's okay. In this lesson, we will use a spreadsheet to make a random band name generator. It will be a neat way to come up with some fun band names while also learning about spreadsheets. All right, let's get started. All right, the first thing you will do is go to drive.google.com and then make sure you're signed in with your school account. Once you get here, you'll click on New and then Google Sheets. The first thing we want to do is give our document a name, and I'm going to call mine Kim's Band Name Generator. Once you have done that, you are ready to go on to the next step. Thanks for watching.